अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू CSS Nexus। और आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं 2017 का जीके का पेपर पीएमएस का। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, हु वाज द इन्वेंटर ऑफ माउस? डॉगलस एंजलबर्ट, ऑप्शन ए इज राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेम द पर्सन हु वाज exiled to St. Helena after renowned battle of Waterloo in 1815। तो इसका राइट ऑप्शन है नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सिटी स्कैन स्टैंड फॉर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? सिटी स्कैन स्टैंड फॉर कंप्यूटेड टोमोग्राफी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नॉर्मंडी इज इन फ्रांस। ऑप्शन डी इज राइट ऑप्शन, नॉर्मंडी इज इन फ्रांस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, सर लॉरेंस ओलिवर was an actor. Option B is right option. Kofi Annan, a former Secretary General of UNO, belongs to Ghana. Capital of the Ghana is Accra. Next question. The country of Ghana was formerly known by what name? Gold Coast. Gold Coast. Next question is, Congo is the new name of Zaire. Option C is right option. Blackpool is town. Rakh Gulaman livestock farm is in option C Bakkar. Which is the biggest freshwater lake in the world? Lake Superior is right option. Which is the deepest lake in the world? Baikal Lake. Ural Mountain is in Russia. Which country is the second largest oil producer in the world? Saudi Arabia. Bering Strait separate Russia from USA. Opium War was fought between China and British. International date line passes through Bering Strait. Shortest day in Australia will be on 21st June. Mention the nickname of atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima in 1945. Little Boy। और जो नागासाकी पर फेंका गया था उसका नाम था फैट मैन। The Treaty of Service was signed in 1920. Mustafa Kamal Pasha abolished the Khilafat in 1924. We, the people of United Nations, are the opening word of which of the historical document? UN Charter. Kohe Judal is located in Turkey. Kohe Tur is located in Sinai. The name of Ceylon changed into Sri Lanka in 1972. 1 yard is equal to 0.914 meter. 1 BTU is equal to how many joules? 1055. 1 gram of gold is equal to how many milligram of gold? So 1 gram of gold is equal to 1000 milligram of gold. Adam's Peak is located in Sri Lanka. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. If 5x minus 15 is equal to 60, then find the value of x. तो ये सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है। 15 उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो ऐड हो जाएगा 60 में, उसके बाद x यहीं रहेगा तो डिवाइड करेंगे। जब x को करेंगे इक्वल 60 माइनस 15 डिवाइड बाई 5 तो हमारे पास x का जवाब आ जाएगा 13। Oldest inhabited city in the world is Damascus. The cultural center of Gandhara civilization was situated at present day in Pakistan. Oldest monarchy is Japan. Father of homeopathy is Samuel Hahnemann. Next question is, the book Wealth of Nation was written by Adam Smith. इनमें से राइट ऑप्शन कोई भी नहीं था, तो राइट ऑप्शन था एडम स्मिथ। Communist Manifesto was originally published in which language? In Germany. The famous incident of Boston Tea Party took place in 1773. Next question is, Ahmad Khan Khatral, the famous character of War of Independence, belongs to option C Jamra. Faiz Ahmad Faz was imprisoned for his alleged involvement in Rawalpindi conspiracy. Price and Prejudice was written by Jane Austen. Next question is cholera is caused by bacteria. Which of the following disease is not caused by virus? So typhoid is not caused by virus. Which among the following is starch digesting enzyme? Amylase. Another name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid, which is used as moderator in atomic reactor. Heavy water is used as moderator in atomic water. Guava is a rich source of vitamin C. Guava is a rich source of vitamin C. Conversations with Myself was written by Nelson Mandela. Diameter of Jupiter is 11 times of Earth's diameter. Option B is right option. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Plato was teacher of Aristotle. Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League in 1913. The Jallianwala massacre, April 1919 took place. कब हुआ था? अप्रैल 1919 में. जलियांवाला बाग was located in Amritsar. First Nobel Prize in Peace was awarded to Röntgen और Röntgen ने X-rays discover किए थे. Which among the following is ancient wonder of world? Lighthouse of Alexandria. 200 candidates applied for exam, from which 180 candidates appear in exam and 70% how many failed. तो आपने इसको सिंपली जो है ना सॉल्व कर लेना है. 200 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उन्होंने अप्लाई किया एग्ज़ाम में और जिसमें से 180 स्टूडेंट जो है वो अपेयर हुए एग्ज़ाम में और 70% पास हुए. तो फेल कितने हुए? 180 का आपने 70% निकाल लेना है, उसके बाद आपके पास जवाब आ जाएगा. If x is equal to 28 and y is equal to 51, then x plus y plus x minus y की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो इसका जवाब निकालेंगे तो आपके पास 56 जवाब आ जाएगा. Who was the inventor of printing press? Johannes Gutenberg. Option A is right option. Euro is the currency of Italy. If A complete a job in 20 minutes and B in 30 minutes, if they do same job together, how much time will they take? तो इसका सिंपल सा फार्मूला होता है 1 over A plus 1 over B is equal to वर्क डन. तो यहाँ से आपके पास 12 जवाब आ जाएगा. Which of the following districts of Balochistan contain huge deposits of copper? Chagi. Kuchra Lake is located in Baltistan. Patela is present in knee. Patela bone होती है और knee में present होती है, जिसे knee bone भी कहते हैं. Working boundary is a boundary between Indian held Kashmir and Pakistan. Option C is right option. What does RAM in a computer stand for? Random access memory. Or what does ROM stand in a computer? Standard read only memory. URL is an abbreviation of Uniform Resource Locator. Wife of Bill Gates is the CEO of Bill Gates Foundation. What is the name of her wife? Melinda. Option B is right option. The length of Siachen Glacier is 49 miles. Persecution of Rohingya Muslims is in which state of? Option B, Rakhine is right option. Khad is the intelligence agency of Afghanistan. The national bird of Pakistan is chakor. Abe Hayat was written by Muhammad Hussain Azad. Silicon Valley is located in California. The only Hindu state in the world is Nepal. The Nobel Prize for Economics was introduced in 1969. Malabar is old name of Madras. If the mood of a person swings from normal to extreme behavior is due to bipolar disorder. Novel War and Peace was written by Leo Tolstoy. Most powerful hurricane to hit the Caribbean in September 2017 was Imra. Irma. Option next question 82. Neutron was discovered by James Chadwick और प्लेस्टली ने डिस्कवर किया थी ऑक्सीजन. During the process of photosynthesis, plants release the oxygen. Hijjatul Balaga was written by Shah Waliullah. An example of a hereditary disease is hemophilia. Next question is, there were 69 members in first Constituent Assembly. This number was increased to in order to give representation to princely states and refugee. 79 is right option. What is height of K2? Height of K2 is 8611 meters. Before the partition of India in 1949, how many princely states exist? 562. Name the biggest barrage of Pakistan. सखर बैराज, जिसे लैंसडाउन बैराज भी कहते हैं, वो जो है सबसे बिगेस्ट बैराज है पाकिस्तान का. If you have cares, then which doctor should be consulted? Option C, dentist. The average weight of human heart is 300 gram. Sharm el Sheikh is the name of Egyptian seaport. LNG stand for liquefied natural gas. The Statue of Liberty was presented to the United Nations by the people of France. Habsha is the oldest name of Ethiopia. Breakbone fever is communicated by a mosquito. It is another name of dengue. Katas Raj temple is in Chakwal. Amnesia is related to loss of memory. The British government announced an alignment of Bengal in 1911. Thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.